Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Okay, very good. So today, one topic will understand three bodies in contact. Already about normal reaction, we have already studied, right? Yes or no? So what is normal reaction? How to find normal reaction between two objects or one object at rest on the floor. So like this already we have idea. In this video, we will discuss three bodies in contact. Yes or no? Three objects are in contact, how to find the normal reaction. Okay? So try to understand. Are you ready, everyone? Okay. So now listen here. Here one problem I am taking. Suppose one situation I have like this. Let me take here Q. One question let's take here. In this question you try to understand the concept. Now here you have a floor. This is your floor. Okay. Now this is your mass M1. This is your mass M2. This is your mass M3. M1, M2, M3. Yes or no? Clear? Now here you are applying a force F. On the M1, one force is applied, that is capital F. Okay? Now you can see M1 and M2 they are in contact. M2 and M3 they are in contact. So if you know already if contact is there, definitely normal reaction will come. Yes or no? So you find normal reaction between M1 and M2 and also find normal reaction between M2 and M3. Yes or no? Are you getting? So your two normal reaction will get. So first write question. What is the question here? Now find A. Acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. Number B, write normal reaction. Okay, normal reaction between M1 and M2. And next you find normal reaction between M2 and M3. Listen here, what we'll do, we'll consider, let normal reaction between M1 and M2 is N consider. Here this one consider, let's N prime. What it is? N prime. That is N, this is N prime. And what is acceleration of the system? That is small a. Small a is basically acceleration of the system. Okay. So these three questions you have to find first. First you analyze the system here. So write answer. See, these three systems are in contact. Now these three systems I can take as a one system. I can consider this is one system with M1, M plus M2 plus M3 mass. And as force is given from left to right. And I consider the surface is smooth surface. The surface is smooth surface, no friction is there. Now this object will move in the right direction as force is given from left to right. Yes or no? So here force applied F. Mass is M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now here if I write what is acceleration? What is this acceleration? Now definitely it will force by what? M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is your acceleration. M1 plus M2 plus M3. Their acceleration of this block. Are you getting or not? Hello? Are you getting? As I consider this total mass is a one mass only, that is M1 plus M2 plus M3. How much force applied? Capital F. Then what will be acceleration? Acceleration will be F by m1 plus m2 plus m. No doubt here, right? So this is the first question answer over. Your acceleration of the object is nothing but F by f1 m1 plus m2 plus m3. Clear or not, boys? No doubt here. Okay. Now second one is what? Normal reaction between m1 and m2, and then normal reaction between m2 and m3. Yes? Clear? Okay. So here normal reaction is n. Here normal reaction is n prime. N prime. N prime calculation will be easy. Easily you can find n prime calculation. You will do the free body diagram of m3, then n prime you can find easily. Okay. So calculation of n will be little, you need calculation of n. So next page we will calculate. First I will calculate n prime, then I will calculate n. Okay. First acceleration everyone understood. So this is nothing but what it is? That is the acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. And remember, each and every object here, m1 also moving with acceleration a, m2 also moving with acceleration a, m3 also moving with acceleration a, and all together mass is moving with acceleration also what? A, in the right direction. Okay, listen next. So I need to calculate what is the reaction, normal reaction between m1 and m2. Yes or no? And also I need to find normal reaction between m2 and m3. That also I need. Now listen all of you. First I will do m3 object free body diagram. All of you listen here. This is your m3 object. M3. So see your m3. See your m3 object. On this m3 object, here m2 is giving one force. Which force that is? N prime force. Due to m2, this n3 is getting one force. That is normal reaction. N prime. In which direction? Towards right. So that means your n3 is getting only one force here. What is the one force? N prime. N prime. And here acceleration how much? A. Yes or no? Now total force acting n prime, acceleration A, mass is given. Then according to Newton's second law, you will apply Newton's second law. What I can write? Tell. Applying Newton's second law. What I can write? Tell. N prime equal to m3 into A. N prime equal to what? M3 into A. Or you can write here, write first, write like this. Write like this. F net equal to total mass into acceleration. F net is nothing but n prime. Mass is nothing but m3 here. Acceleration already you know. What is acceleration value? Can anyone say what is acceleration value? Already you got here. F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now substitute that. So it is m3 into A divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. See here. Normal reaction between m2 and m3 you got. Normal reaction between m2. Yes or no? It is very easy calculation. Because on m3 only one force is acting. On m3 how many forces are acting? Only one force, n prime. Then applying Newton's second law, F net equal to mass times acceleration. What is the total force acting? N prime. What is the mass here? m3. What is acceleration here? A. A keep as it. Yes or no? A value substitute here. A value what? m3 M3 into F actually. A value check here, A value, what is that A value? F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So A value you are substituting here, that is F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Yes or no? So you write here. So your A value is nothing but, that is F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Clear or not? So this is the normal reaction. Instead of A, you are substituting that formula. Now next come to M1 and M2. To solve M1 and M2 question, what you do here? You see here. Either you can take M2 free body diagram or M1 free body diagram. You will get that. Okay. So now next thing, what I am doing? I am doing M1 free body diagram. I am doing what? M1 free body diagram. So let's take like this M1 free body diagram. I am not bothered about vertical direction, any normal reaction or gravitational force, because they will balance each other. There is no vertical motion. So here I did not do that. But vertically, normal reaction also there due to floor. Due to floor, M3 is getting one vertical normal reaction. We did not consider this. Now see here M1 what I will do. Now here one force is acting in the direction F. Here one force is acting N. And here this object is moving in this direction with acceleration A. Now here if you want to write, applying Newton's second law, what I can get? F net equal to mass times acceleration. F net is nothing but capital F minus N equal to M1 into A. M1 into A. See here, why net force is F minus N? See, this object is moving right toward direction. If object is moving right toward direction, then this F, capital F is responsible for that, because capital F direction is towards right, but capital N direction is towards left. Yes or no? So that means who is responsible for rightward motion? Capital F. That means capital F is having more magnitude. Okay. So larger force. So larger force minus smaller force equal to net force. So net force coming magnitude wise. Now I need to find N. So N, how I'll write? N equal to nothing but F minus M1. Now F minus M1. What is A value? Already you know A value. A value is substitute. It is F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now this calculation you do. This calculation you yourself do. This multiplication you take here, LCM you take, do multiplication with F, this term, down term. Now calculation you do, M1F minus M1F will cancel. Only you will be remaining M2 plus M3F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this one only you have. This one only you have. M2 plus M3 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Clear? Yes or no? No doubt is there, right? Okay. So this is the normal reaction between M1 and M2. This is the normal reaction between this one is between M2 and M3. Okay. Here it is between M1 and M2. So these two things you understand properly. Okay. If with ratio they ask, ratio you can find. If any other thing they are asking, also other thing you can find. Yes or no? So when normal reaction between M2 and M3, it is M3 into F, last mass into force divided by addition of all the masses. When normal reaction between M1 and M2 finding, that is M2 plus M3 into F divided by addition of all the masses. Okay. This formula you have to remember. Clear? Note it down. Now one numerical will solve by taking three objects. They are in contact. What is the normal reaction? we'll try to find. Okay. Numericals. Instead of m, we'll consider what? Some mass, kg. In kg we'll consider. Instead of F, capital F, some force we'll consider, magnitude of force. I'll show you. Let me complete one question. I'll show you the page, this page. Okay. Just wait. Let's understand the next thing. All of you listen here. On MCQ right. Here I have 3 masses. Here I have 3 masses like this. One is 1 kg, second one is 2 kg, and last one is 3 kg. They are resting on the smooth surface. So the surface is basically smooth. Listen, one force is applied here. Force magnitude is 24 Newton. How much magnitude? 24 Newton. We applied to 1 kg block. Now here asking the normal reaction. The normal reaction between 2 kg and 3 kg. Between 2 kg and 3 kg is how much? Option A 3 Newton, option B 18 Newton, option C 24 Newton, option D 12 Newton. Now say, what can be answer? Between 2 kg, 3 kg they asked. That means you tell what you have to find, n you have to find or n prime you have to find? N prime. What is n prime formula? Last mass into force divided by, very good. So answer is 12 Newton divided by all addition of all the masses. So answer, listen, your formula already you know n prime. Okay, here you whatever finding n prime, that is n prime is m3 into f divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is your m1, this is your m2, this is your m3, this is your m3, and this is your force F. Direct formula apply, otherwise you do with concept. Do the free body diagram of 3 kg, then find acceleration and do that. You can do that also. So now I will calculate from with this formula. M3 is 3, force is 24, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now it is 3 into 24 divided by 6. Now 3 into 6 and 24 will cancel 4. So answer is 12 Newton. Direct answer. Yes or no? Okay. So one homework I will give you. You try at home. Homework you try. Here I have 3 masses. Here I have 3 masses. Here 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg. Okay. Now here you find I. What is acceleration of the system? What is acceleration of the system? Second you find normal reaction between 2 kg and 3 kg. And here I am giving one force 72 Newton. What force are given? 72 Newton. Now third one I am giving. Also find normal reaction between between 3 kg and 4 kg. 3 kg and 4 kg. So please you try to calculate. This is your homework you take. Please calculate this. I hope this question you understood, direct question. Yes or no? Acceleration will be
8 meter per second square.
Yes, very good. You calculate please. Okay. Acceleration will be 8 meter by second square. Did you understand? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all of you. If you like, then subscribe Vidya Lakshmi NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.